Oh, shoot. Oh, this is not going to plan.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready for more?
Yesterday I was out here at the RV and I was adjusting the awning and it ripped. Today we're back and we're going to repair it, but we're going to have to replace this awning. It's just ripped and I can't leave it like this. I'm afraid it's going to damage something.
I'm here for moral support and good luck, because yesterday I think you probably could have used a little good luck.
I need good luck, but I'm going to need a little bit of help.
Yeah,
So,
I might be able to.
all right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Cash it in and roll the dice. Oh my mind, it's a thing of gold. All I do is win. All I do is win. Oh my mind, no one ever falls.
So what are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to, okay, so you have to stick a pick in there to stop the rotation of there's like tension in it.
Okay.
And so if you rotate this a certain way, what happens is it stops the tension from unrolling on you. So that's what we want, is we don't want that to happen.
Do you want me to try to do it?
No. So you got to rotate the whole assembly so that you can see all the way through. Once you can see all the way through, you stick a pick through there. So I'm gonna take this zip tie right here. I'm gonna thread it behind this assembly, and then I'm gonna try to push this thing back flush. And then since this is already gonna be behind this assembly, just connect it and tighten it so that it holds everything up. That is literally the whole plan. Yeah. Oh, shoot. I've got the thing in the thing, so it's not gonna spin.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Oh, this is not going to plan.
Well, that was better than what we thought.
That's so much better than what I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a problem.
What? What?
It's
Oh.
like bent in a... I don't know how I'm gonna get it out of there.
Oh, do you think it rolled?
Yeah.
Oh.
When it opened, it like bent the pick.
Okay.
So we'll deal with that.
You're just gonna leave it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That.
Oh no.
Yay.
Oh my god.
So yesterday, everything went wrong. Today, everything's falling into place. It didn't work. Or I did something wrong. I don't know. There you go. So yesterday I realized when I was up on the roof doing another repair that the de-stripping around the slides is starting to deteriorate. Is it deteriorate?
It's starting to deteriorate.
And I'm worried about the rain that's coming and snow even here in Central Texas here in the next week. So I'm gonna put tarp over it.
It's gonna get down to like 19, right?
It's down to 19, so that's gonna be fun. But I'm gonna put the tarp over it and I'm gonna go from there. So.
Yeah.
Here we go again. Walk like I mean it, yeah. Talk like I seen it, yeah. Live it, cause I dreamed it. You could've did it too, but you didn't mean it. Light up like a phoenix.
There was no wind when I got it.
Yeah, beaming. I'm really here to get the people what they needed. Somebody built Fort Tarp, hard cold like a need. I'm bad, how bad? Yeah, I'm good, so good. Yeah, I'm strong, so strong. Something you wish you
That's a wrap.
I'm back now.
I'm holding it this time.
Your arm's gonna love this. Maybe I should go through like 15 different takes
Ooh.
and say just.
Payback's a bitch.
So yesterday I noticed that the D-strip is starting to just starting.
These chickens are so funny. They don't like me though. I keep trying to go up to them and they're like running away. Silly chickens.